no, I can't.
How's it going today? Today I'm going to be opening up 2 boxes of Meowth VMax and 2 tins of Hidden Fates. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get these things open real quick. Usually I open ahead of time, but decided not to today, just kind of get the video going. I really like these Meowth VMax boxes. Kind of been hit and miss with them. But the packs that are in here, you can definitely pull some good stuff. Just found out today, I have a booster box of it, of Unified Minds, and I realized they have the Misty's Determination full art in there, and I don't know if it's Determination or it's Misty's Favor. I was talking about it with It's Cobb, another YouTube channel. We've been kind of communicating of stuff and working on some hopefully future plans to do some work together, but he was showing me like cards he really wants to get, and I had went through the checklist the other day and saw the Misty's I think it's Favor or Determination, I don't know, but anyways, it's a beautiful card that he was looking at. All right, so I believe these are 4 packs. I'm just gonna keep the tin sealed right now. We got the promo card inside. And we'll get this Charizard one open. I think this only tin I don't have is the Charizard. All right, so we got all the packs open. Now let's knock this out. So we have 8 packs of Hidden Fates. We're gonna have 4 packs of Cosmic Eclipse, 2 Unified Minds, and 2 Evolutions. So I'm gonna open up these Unified Minds, and then I'll kind of break it up between these 3. Hoping to hit something huge out of this Unified Minds. I have not opened up much of it. Everything I've opened up, I don't believe I've really hit anything spectacular out of it. So hoping to hit something big here. Scraggy, Dynamo, Cubone, Drudgeon, Shroomish, Reverse Frossalas, and a Holo Haxorus. It's kind of a cool looking card. All right, come on, Unified Minds. Pull that Misty's card out of here. Favor or Determination. Not seeing much shiny coming out of here, so not expecting anything, but oh, I did see something shiny. Never mind. Hopefully I talked it into existence. That would be nice. Amma, Execute, Murkrow, Snover, Reverse Tasserina. Nope, definitely not. And the Mewtwo and Mew GX. I believe I already have this card. It's a nice card regardless. Still a nice card. All right, so I'm going to do 1 Cosmic Eclipse. I opened up a booster box not too long ago of this. And it was just awesome. I loved it. And actually, there's something shiny in this one, too. Let's see what we can get. Lilip, Jolteon, Pangoro, Timepole, Piplup, Cosmog, Ponyta, Crabrawler, Reverse Kricketot, and a Reshiram and Zekrom GX Tag Team. Oops. And then I dropped it, ruined it, and I don't think it's one of the more expensive cards, but very clean nevertheless. Still like pulling those kind of cards. I'm going to do a Hidden Fates. Actually, I'll do 2 Hidden Fates, and then we'll jump over to do an Evolutions. There's that. This has been the card that has eluded me like no other, is the Charizard out of this, but I think it's done that to a lot of people. Staryu, Voltorb. I opened up a lot of Hidden Fates. Didn't get anything. Clefable and a Blaine's Last Stand. But it's all right, you know. Patience. Stuff will hit you eventually. You'll get it eventually if you really want it. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Misty's Determination, Pokemon Center Lady, Geodude, Clefairy, Eevee, Ekans, Paris, ooh, a Matang, Baby Mini, and a Hollow Jesse and James. Kind of forget that you can get the Baby Minis, so I was thinking of I'll open up one more of Hidden Fates, and we'll go to Evolutions. Thinking of all the Shining Fates that I've been opening. So this one definitely has something shiny in it. This is my shiny. Large shiny. I do not know what it is. Let's see. Paris, Caterpie, Charmander, Clefairy, Psyduck should be here. Decidueye, which I already have. I may actually have 2 of these. See, I would have been happy even if it wasn't the Charizard, as long as it was one I did not have. All right, let's go to Evolutions. Let's see what we got. What's that? 2, 3. All right, Pokédex. Hunter, Energy Retrieval, Weedle, Machop, Tingler, Vulpix, Energy, Reverse Electrode, and a Farfetch'd. All right, back to Cosmic Eclipse. I love, I don't know, is it Cosmic Eclipse? I think so, with the Pikachu Secret. I love that card. Did not get it in the last, in my booster box, but Reverse Entei and a Alolan Muck. Open up one more pack of this. Then we'll go back over to Hidden Fates. Not seeing much of anything in this one yet. I didn't see anything super shiny, but I know the Pokemon cards with the trainer in it, I don't believe they're like really shiny. It's just more Coughing and a Como-O. And that is a holo. That's weird. It did not even look like a holo. It's just the lighting. All right, back to Hidden Fates. See something in here, but not getting my hopes up. That's probably just, it's got a little bit of a shine to it. Magikarp, Magmar. Yep. I so badly just want to rip that card up. That Pinsir, I hate that card. It is not good at all. All right, Magmar, Coughing, Clefairy, Staryu, Jigglypuff, Charmeleon, Reverse Holo, and a Brock's Training Holo. Let's see what we got here. We still got 3 packs left, and 1 of each. I'll do one more pack of Hidden Fates. Alrighty. Charmeleon, Jinx, Graveler, Psyduck, Magikarp, Staryu, Voltorb, Pikachu, Reverse Misty's Determination, Hollow Jesse and James. Alright, we're going to go back to Cosmic Eclipse. Alright, last pack of this. See what we can do. Alright. Fishing Rod, Chaotic Swell, Type Null, Rockruff, Stuffle, Rowlet, Phantom, Magnemite, Reverse Poniard, and a Hollow Stetland. So nothing really from that other than that, wait. We have the Mewtwo and the Reshiram and Zekrom. All right, so let's do evolutions. There's that. All right, Blastoise, Pidgeot, Electabuzz, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Onix, Magikarp, Staryu, and a Dugtrio. Womp womp. All right, last 2 packs of Hidden Fates. What's that? Bruxcrit, Graveler, Farfetch'd, Psyduck, Staryu, Clefairy, Slowpoke, Pika. Wow, okay. So this is funny. I actually just sent this card. So I was watching Noah J's videos, and this was one of the cards he needed for Hidden Fates. And I sent him this with another card from Hidden Fates, and then 2 from XY Evolutions, which in recent videos he's got. My package probably isn't even getting to him yet just because of all the stuff that's going on back there. But it's kind of funny how that works out. You send out one and one returns to you through a pack. So it's kind of cool. All right. Last pack here of Hidden Fates. Let's see what we can get. Anything good, I hope. Metapod, Missy's Gym, Magmar, Ekans, Paras, Caterpie, Charmander, Clefairy, Magikarp, and a Raichu GX, which another card I am tired of seeing. But I will put it, since it's Raichu, I'll put him in a sleeve. Pinsir, he don't need a sleeve. I might just start giving those things away. But yeah, it's crazy. Anyways, so we'll kind of go over what we got today. Out of those 2 boxes and the 2 tins, nothing super huge. But I'm happy to get this Gibble back because it's one of the ones I would need now. Got him back. Another Decidueye, a Matang Hollow, which Shiny, which I don't believe I have. Reshiram and Zekrom, which I think I have this one. I don't know if it's this one I have or there's another version of it. I can't remember. And then a Mewtwo and Mew. So very happy to be able to get these cards. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. Subscribe and like if you would. And you all have a good day. Thank you. Bye.